Methods. Remember that methods are actions we can perform. JavaScript provides a number of string methods. We call or use these methods by appending an instance with a period, the dot operator, the name of the method, opening and closing parentheses, example string dot method name. Does that syntax look a little familiar? When we use console.log, we're calling the .log method on the console object. Let's see console.log and some real string methods in the action. Okay, console.log hello in single quotes dot to uppercase, which prints uppercase letters hello. Console.log hey dot starts with h prints true because the first character of the string is uppercase h. So let's look at each of these lines above. On the first line, the dot to uppercase method is called on the string instance hello. The result is logged to the console. This method returns a string in all capital letters hello. On the second line, the dot starts with method is called on the string instance hey. This method also accepts the character uppercase h as an input or argument. Between the parentheses, since the string hey does start with the letter h, the method returns the boolean true. You can find a list of built-in string methods in the JavaScript documentation. Developers use documentation as a reference tool. It describes JavaScript keywords, methods, and syntax. All right. So use the dot to uppercase method to log the string Code Academy to the console in all capital letters. So dot to uppercase. And just run it. Remove white space. Code Academy, remove white space. Okay. In the second console.log statement in app.js, we have a string remove whitespace, which has spaces before and after the words remove whitespace. If we browse the JavaScript documentation, string documentation, we find several built-in methods that each accomplish a different goal. The one method that seems ideal for us is .trim. Use the method to remove the white space at the beginning and end of the string in the second console.log statement. So on the second console.log statement, in order to remove this white space that's in between, we're going to add .trim. And as you can see, it's removed the white space on the end and in the beginning of the string.